So our formative years were actually spent in church, surrounded by a great community of friends. And gathering in small groups at people's houses for a meal, having prayer worship sessions, or just to play games and chill, were very much a part of our lives.
Yep, so naturally when we got married and had our own house, we knew that this aspect of community would be a central figure of our lives and home. Thus, this was something that we kept in mind when navigating through the design process. Before the renovation, the kitchen was quite oddly shaped and very much smaller than what it is today.
Yes, and to further maximize space, we actually procured the excess corridor space and broke down the walls of the oddly shaped kitchen, making the kitchen look so much more spacious than it was before.
Yep, for this, we have to go through a lot of barriers for us to actually get the access corridor. But we have to thank Irwin for helping us to apply the permit so that we can have our kitchen expanded.
However, this would actually mean that our guests would enter straight into the kitchen when they come into our house.
As such, we wanted the kitchen to look beautiful and not like any other kitchen. Thus, we actually opted for a Swiss cottage style that would exude a sense of warmth and coziness.
We also requested for shaker profiles for our cabinets with a combination of forest green and white colour to further enhance the effect.
And Irwin has done a great job accommodating to all our requests and making the kitchen looking so beautiful.
So thanks, Irwin!
Yeah, man! We love having friends over in our house, as there's no better way to bond, than to sit around a table over a good meal. As such, we decided to spend a little more effort to come and spruce up this dining room area. What we did was we actually broke down one of the walls of this room and convert this from a bedroom into a dining room so that our friends can dine in comfortably.
That's right, and because of the way the dining area is structured, we are able to also increase the seating capacity, allowing for more people to join the party by simply extending the dining table into the living room and adding complimentary stools that we have prepared on standby.
Having a dedicated room for dining also means that the living room is freed up for more people to hang around and just chill together.
Yeah, and we also wanted our cell group members to be able to have a comfortable experience in our house. So we wanted to have a large and spacious area for people to stand and sit around. And as such, it really helps to have the dining area shifted out to provide the space for that.
Moreover, this space doubled up as a storage area as we actually merge our storeroom together with our bedroom. So this storage feature that we have here is able to accommodate many of our items and whatnot. So what caught our attention of this house is the spaciousness of the living room. It is rectangular in shape that comes with a balcony.
Yeah, that's right. So we really wanted to capitalize on this. So we got a comfortable reclining couch so that we can actually sit down and have conversations with our guests or each other, or to simply just catch a movie.
Yep, so to enhance the whole cinematic effect here, we installed a large TV and also a surround sound system. So with the light all switched off, you'll be teleported to a cinema theatre. To further bring convenience to our guests, we actually did a tweak to the layout of the house, whereby we actually switched the opening of the toilet from the kitchen to the living room.
Yeah, and we intentionally chose more colourful and bright coloured tiles so that it will add to a cheery effect. So for the balcony, we wanted this space to be all things vintage and retro. As such, we chose a terrazzo flooring, which is actually different from our living room tiles because we wanted to have a very distinct area that is separate from the living room.
Yep. So over here in this vintage retro area, we have like the gramophone, we have old telephone, we have typewriter, and even a classic lampstand, that gives off the old Shanghai feel, which really complements, with our this black and white sofa theme altogether. Now to the master bedroom. The master bedroom was initially very small, and thus we decided to break down the walls of the storeroom to expand the space.
So now we have a bedroom that is symmetrical and very spacious. And as we spend most of our time in our bedroom, we actually wanted something more cozy and warm.
Yep. Thus, Irwin suggested to design the bedroom with a hotel feel, with dark brown cabinets that will be complemented with classy wallpaper.
So all in all, we're really thankful for the team from Changi Interior for doing such a great job in building our dream house. So we really appreciate them for really being very patient all this while, despite our many requests and to be honest, multiple changes as well.
Yep. So we sincerely appreciate them in their extra effort to ensure that the renovation works are not only of quality, but were completed in good time for us to move in according to schedule.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.